Hey guys, what's up? It's Majesty from Majesty Studios. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. Anyway, I'm going camping, and so I'm going to Pinecrest, and I'm just gonna be giving you some pictures, and yeah, so let's go. Okay, I got my bag packed. I basically just have clothes and some briars, and I think I want some now. So let's get in the car. Okay guys, I'm in the car. It's super early, but we got everything packed, like sleeping bags and stuff. There's like no room for anyone to sit, but I'm gonna get in the tiny area where there is somewhere to sit, and I'll see you when we get there. Okay guys, we're here. It's a beautiful area. So let me show you our tent. Okay guys, this is our tent. So we have this area that's like just a little like patio. And here's the actual tent, the rope, and then here are bags and sleeping bags. And then we have like little windows where you can see the ground. It's pretty cool. And it's really big if you can't tell. So next, I think we're gonna go watch a movie. So let's go. Okay guys, check this out. So I just realized there are these like teepees back there. I don't know if you can see them, but I'm gonna go with my friend and explore. So yeah. Okay guys, so we're almost there. Up here, if you look, there's some teepees. Check out this teepee, guys. Look, there are like 3 rocks inside, and it's like a pretty good shaded area. Just look around. Look at this huge rock, guys. Okay, well anyway, we're done in this beautiful area, but we are gonna go on a hike. Look at this, guys. It's awesome carving. Aren't they beautiful, guys? Our hike's gonna be awesome. Okay guys, we're heading to the lake now. I just realized, guys, look at the size of this little pom-pom thing. It's like huge. Look at my dad's hand compared to it. It's like, oh my gosh, that's big. Like, look at my hand. It's like huge. Look at this map, guys. They have so many cool things. Okay guys, we're at the lake. We got some floaties, and it's gonna be awesome. This is where we spent about 2 hours of our day, but now We're sadly leaving this beautiful lake and heading back to our campsite. The lake was awesome, but now we have to go. We're gonna go back to our campsite. Well, actually, we're gonna go for a walk, then to our campsite, and then we're gonna go watch a movie in the park. Look at this beautiful little waterfall, guys. Okay, we're back at the campsite. Check it out, guys. We found this little lake by our campsite. It's so clear and beautiful. Okay, so the hike has been beautiful, and we're at our campsite now, so we're just gonna relax. Okay guys, we're at the movie. So excited. Alright guys, so the movie was great. If you didn't know, we watched Aladdin, the new one. And now we're here at the lake. And we found this cute dog swimming. He was adorable. So anyway, we're at the lake. It's an awesome view. Oh, and by the way, the dog's name was Freddy. He's so cute. But look at the lake. It's an awesome view. But now we're gonna go back to camp. Now that we've gone back to camp, we've started a wonderful fire and we're gonna roast s'mores. Yay! Look at the fire. It's awesome! Okay guys, we just got back to the lake and we got ourselves a beautiful chocolate and vanilla swirl ice cream. We're at the lake again. It's just so beautiful. Look at my floaty. It's a rainbow. It's just so nice. I mean, look at that view. Beautiful. We swam a little. It's cold but nice. That's why we got the floaty out. Now we're going to go back to camp and we'll see. It was a great trip, but sadly it's time to go. So, don't forget to watch my next video, subscribe, and like. See you next time. Bye.